Hey everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood hypnotist here, Dinsdale from Secret Success Hypnosis Clinic. Today we're going to be talking about a weight loss technique that I use quite often at the clinic. So if you've made some gains over the past year or two because your routine has been, messed up with all the shutdowns, I just want you to know that it's okay. A lot of people are going through what you're going through right now, and it is absolutely possible to get back on track, to get into that healthy routine. We went through a collective traumatic experience with all this that's happening out in the world right now. But you know what? It's okay as long as we support each other and, are there for each other. Things are going to get back to normal very quickly, and we can get back on track with our health and wellness routines. So what I'm going to get you to do is close your eyes down now. Close them down and just feel nice and relaxed, loose and limp. Allow your mind to clear. Just focus in on my voice. Take some nice deep breaths in and out. And I would like you to picture a food that sometimes you binge on. So for example, for me, I absolutely adore popcorn. And when I get one of those large movie theater popcorns, it is very hard for me to stop eating this popcorn. So pick a food that you might want to release, that you know that it's not good for you. You'd like to just stop eating it for now until you get back on your wellness routine, and then you can start eating that food again in small, relatively, small portions. So as you relax, I'd like you to imagine that the food that you've chosen is waiting for you at the bottom of a staircase with 10 steps going down. With every step that you take, you're going to go deeper and deeper into trance. I'm going to count you down these stairs, so I'd like you to relax even further with every step that you go down. 10, feeling more and more relaxed. 9, deeper and deeper. 7, more and more relaxed. 6, more and more at ease. 5, enjoying the journey. 4, almost at the deepest level. 3, getting closer to that food item now. 2, and 1. You're at the very bottom of relaxation now. So in front of you there, you can see that food item that has been causing you trouble. I want you to imagine the texture, see the color vividly. You can even pick it up if you wish and put it back down. You can smell the smell of that food item as well. Now I'd like for you to detach yourself emotionally to this food. If you felt like eating it before, just imagine a barrier coming up and you were completely detached from that food item. Very good. Now I wonder if you can think of a food item that is absolutely disgusting to you. For me, that food is sardines. Sardines is absolutely disgusting to me. I can imagine that disgusting fishy odor, that horrible crunchy texture in my mouth. I do not like it. Take a moment and think of that food that you absolutely hate the most, that if you ate it, you would feel physically sick. And once you've got that in your mind's eye, you can imagine that food item beside your preferable food item, sitting there beside that preferable food item. And the more that you look at that disgusting food item that you hate so much, maybe you can get that taste of the food in your mouth that nasty, disgusting taste. You can imagine the texture. You can imagine all those different things going on in your mind. Those emotions of you don't want to eat it. Now I wonder if you could pick up that disgusting food item, and I want you to squish it into your preferable food item. Use your hands and mix them together. Just notice how that pleasant smell of the food becomes absolutely rotten and disgusting. That least favorable smell is hitting you in the nose. It is so powerful and disgusting. And you notice the texture changing of your preferable food item. Maybe if it was soft, it's becoming hard, or maybe it's becoming slimy. Just notice a difference now. And in a moment, I'm going to ask you to take a huge handful of the mixture and put it in your mouth, and right away you can taste that disgusting, nasty combination in your mouth. All the pleasant tastes are gone. Do it now. Absolutely disgusting in your mouth. Maybe you can even feel that gag reflex happening the longer you keep it in your mouth. So you can just scrape it off your tongue now with your hand. Very good. Now in a moment, I want you to make the association in your subconscious mind that this pleasant food is now a disgusting, awful version of your least favorite food. So for me, whenever I think of popcorn, I have made the association now that popcorn means sardines. And whenever I see popcorn, I can taste sardines in my mouth. If I smell popcorn, I'm reminded of that fishy, smelly odor. We're going to lock these suggestions into your subconscious mind for as long as you need them, okay? They are locked in. Whenever you smell that nice food, it is going to remind you of the bad food. They are officially associated in your mind, and it will not go away until you tell yourself the word release while you are eating the food that you like. Okay? Release is the word to unassociate this disgusting pair. But of course, you don't want to do that yet, do you? You do not want to release this association because you are ready to let go of this preferable food just for now. You are going to keep the association so you can live a healthy, happy life. You are going to prove to yourself that you have wonderful willpower. You are a lot stronger minded than you realize. And even with a simple tool like this, you find you are growing your willpower more and more every day. So in a moment, we're going to come out of hypnosis, keeping this association with you until you want to release it, which you do not want to do yet. 5, coming out of hypnosis. 4, back into the room. 3, 2, and 1, eyes open, feeling calm and relaxed. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini session of hypnosis. If you want to go to the Hypno Hub on my website and subscribe, that would be wonderful. Or you can join my new little YouTube join button. You can see it underneath the subscription button down below. And that's just for people who want to support the channel. Okay, well thanks for watching, guys. It was wonderful doing this little session on such a beautiful day. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.